Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Hey guys, why got to season 8 sizosikhulumisa manga? Hey well guys, so guys, on the trailer of next week Wednesday or one of next week's episode, there's something that we see. We see Umakhwela Beno Musa. Umakhwela, for some of you guys who don't know, Umakhwela is wife number 5. Now I was surprised to see Umakhwela in that trailer because I just had a feeling the way they like dragging things on Uthando Nestembo, I felt like we're going to see Umakhwela towards the end of the season. So I'm surprised, Uguti. I mean, next week we will be on episode 6 and already she is in there. I'm like, okay, season 8, keep it coming. So anyway, guys, it looks like Umusa is going to see his girlfriend. He picks her up. And listen, guys, when he picks her up from picking her up wherever, he almost like gets out of the car, he hugs the girlfriend and they kiss. I'm like, woo! Guys, one thing about Umusapela, he's a traditional man, you know? I'm trying to think of a time. I know he tries to be affectionate. The one person he really tries to be affectionate with is Umangwabe. That's why I keep saying, whatever Umangwabe and Umusa have going, it's a very special thing there by the bedroom because, hey, he will always make those comments with her. But Umusa's not a very affectionate person in public, you guys. In public, he'll hardly do kissing, he'll hardly do holding hands. I stand to be corrected, guys, because I mean, we're on season 8. Please do not expect me to be remembering everything. So you can correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong about this. So for me to see him picking up a girlfriend and kissing her, I was like, it kind of felt like it's out of character. But listen, I'm at 2K. Ayibo. Kuyakhalwa ngabo la ngaphandle ngisho nje abantu abashadile bayakhala ngama-2K ukuthi yey ama-2K ayibo, they will make your man do monkey styles. Yawazi ama-monkey styles? Hey, uzowazi-ke when 2K enters your relationship. So anyway, I was just like, how Musa? And you know, the funny thing is that when they're going to be playing back that footage, when the wives are going to be watching that, so he's doing that on camera before this lady, number 5, Umakhwela goes and see Umatsele, and he's doing this on camera before this lady goes and meets the other wives. So I'm just like, hi, well, Musa, it's okay. Is teaching you affection. Because, you know, we always thought Tugutu Musa is this type of man he's kind of, or at least for myself, he's kind of strict. But I'm just like, hey, I'm at 2K or making Musa a bit too, hey, I am signing that, guys. So anyway, Ugel gets in the car, and it looks like they're driving or Ugel thought it's one of their usual dates ke. Mina I wondered to myself, guys, ukuthi amadoda amadala so like yini exoxayo ne-2K bali? Like what conversation do you guys have? I'm just interested to I'm not saying I'm at 2K like they don't have brains or whatnot but I'm curious to find out. And I feel like this 2K, hi, she's got things on lockdown, guys. She's able. Anyway, then while they're driving, Umusa drops a bomb on her and is like, Phela namhlanje, I'm going remember ngikutshelile ukuthi I want to introduce you to my wives. So today is the day where you're going to see Umatsele. So imagine, and then the Umakhwela is like, hi bo. So we see a mini Mnagwe 2 episode going on there. Hi bo, Umusa sometimes we are quite ukuthi aga-act when he's on Uthando Nestembo to not about to act. Why did he surprise Ugel kanjalo? Like, why, if you want to set your person up for success, why would you set them up like that? I know Wuti, the girl, could not have given herself some sort of training, but at least mentally prepare her. Wuti namhlanje, anything could go down. Let me be mentally prepared. Do you understand what I'm saying? Plus, almost I did say Wuti girl doesn't dress like a wife, so I didn't get to see her attire. Wuti bera toge kanjani that almost is taking her to go and see Umatsele that thing. Umusa, when he gets SC Park, guys, ushuyugel emotweni, just like Emnaweti episode, ushuyugel emotweni comes in the house and then he speaks to Matsele and he's like, Phela Matsele, ngikulethele umuntu la bengicela umletha. Umacele looks at him and she's like, Aibo, senza umnawethu yini lana that you actually asking ukuthi cela nimlethe or whatnot. I don't know if she seemed a bit aggravated or what, you guys, but it seems like naye uqugiwe nje, she was not prepared for it. But I'm like, angithi on the dinner table when the other wives were sulking about number 5 when abawukhikiza, you were busy acting happy. So please, now that the other wives are not here, behave, maintain that energy. But anyway, I trust Umakwela in some sort of way. Guys, ama-2K, we need to give it to them sometimes, eh? Yes, abantu bathi bayadelela, but those people, when they are determined that they want to do something, they are determined. And I think a good example of that is that when you look at TikTok, all these social media platforms, the people who are making the most money on these platforms, guys, is ama-2K. So I think, yes, there's the elements of ukudelela wabo, but I feel like they've got this spirit of determination of when they want something, they can really put their head to it and get it. So I trust ukuthi uMakwela uzothandeka kuMacele. I just don't know abanye banja ukuthi hey bazomreceiva kanjani. But anyway, let's wait for next week's episode. I can't wait to see uMusa in his element with his 2K there next to him. Guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.